Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode from Susvilogs. In this video, as you know from the title of the video, we will be learning data filtering. Data filtering is another branch of sorting, and in the last video we have learned how to sort the data. So in this video we will be learning how to filter the data. So the basic difference between sorting and filtering is that sorting will just sort your data, but filtering will give you some advanced options which you can able to see how your data is getting filtered. So from now we have the same range in which we have used in the last video. So let's go to home tab, and in the editing group we'll have the sort and filter option. Here you can see it's written filter and the shortcut is Control Shift L. On the other hand, you can go to data tab and sort and filter, and here also you can apply filter. It's the same thing. So let's go to our range and select filter. So once you will click the filter, you will get a small down arrow at the bottom right of each column header. So when you will click this header, this down arrow from the header, it will give you plenty of options to filter the data. So let's see, if we want to filter the data, let's try to do something here. And I just pressed Control Shift down arrow to select the complete column which we have filled up, and I will just make it align left so that you will able to see what's going on. I'll just increase it, and now let's see. Now you can see easily. So if you will go A to Z, so now you can see the city is getting filtered from A to Z. So I, K and L is being filtered. And you can see here from the down arrow there is a upright arrow which is showing that this column has been filtered. So this is the way you can able to easily know that your column has been filtered, and you can easily view that the filter is working on this column. Let's try Z to A. Now you can see L, K and I is being filtered from Z to A, and you have a down arrow here. So there are some other options, sort by color. Since we don't have any color in our cells, so it won't show any color here. And there are some other options here, text filter, and here down you can see all the contents of the column has been shown here. So we have only three contents: Islamabad, Karachi and Lahore. So it has been selected all checked. So let's try to play with it. So we will just press uncheck select all, and just we will press Islamabad, and we'll press OK, and you will see now only Islamabad has been showing from our filtering. And you can see this funnel, small funnel is shown here. It means that it has been filtered. And here also on the left side, the rows also will be, the row numbers will be blued. So it means this data has been filtered. So let's try to play with it again. Let's see Karachi. So filter means it will show you only some contents of the range which you want to see that. But in sorting you will see all the data, but it will be aligned, it will be sorted. But in the filtering you will filter out the data, and you will see only what you want to see. Let's try one more time. We'll uncheck Karachi and we'll check Lahore, and you can see all Lahore items being shown here. Let's try to select all, and so it is being filtered. Same way it can be applied to any other rows. Control Shift down, left align, so that you can able to see it easily. A to Z. So it is being filtered from A to Z. Now let's try to check only name for Asif. So we have only one record. So this is how you can see records of a certain people or certain cities. So this is how, let's see Sabah and let's uncheck Asif. So there is only one record and you can see the funnel sign. This is how the filter works. So guys, this is a very short video for filtering. Now we can see clear filters from names. So now you can see, now let me just narrow it down so that you can see our whole range. Now only filter has been applied to the names column. So let's clear filters from name so you can able to see the whole range. This is how the filter works. And if you want to clear out the filter, if you want to remove the filtering, just go to filter settings from home tab, editing filter, and just press again filter. So now you don't see any down arrow on the headers, so it means there is no filtering. But here you can see on the serial numbers that the filter has already been done something. So if you want to just realign your data, just go to filters, go to serial number and smallest to largest. Now you have your original data in front of you. Again go to filters and just uncheck filter and you will get your original data. Guys, in the next video we will be learning some advanced functions from data filtering, so stay tuned. Goodbye.